Hello homeowners and light-sensitive sleepers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of blackout blinds. These window treatments are a game changer when it comes to controlling light and privacy in your home. In this video, we present the ultimate guide to blackout blinds from installation to the incredible benefits they bring to your living space. Let's get started. Segment 1. What are blackout blinds? Light control. Blackout blinds are designed to block out almost all incoming light, creating darkness even during daylight hours. Privacy. They also offer excellent privacy, making them a popular choice for bedrooms and home theaters. Segment 2. Types of blackout blinds. Roller blackout blinds. These are easy to install and operate, making them a popular choice. Roman blackout blinds. They offer a more decorative look, combining the elegance of Roman blinds with the light-blocking properties of blackout material. Honeycomb/cellular blackout blinds. These provide excellent insulation, keeping your room cozy and energy efficient. Segment 3. Installation of blackout blinds. Measure your window. Accurate measurements are crucial for a perfect fit. Mounting brackets. Install the mounting brackets securely, ensuring they are level and aligned. Attach the blind. Slot the blind into the brackets and secure it in place. Test the operation. Make sure the blind can be easily raised and lowered. Segment 4. Benefits of blackout blinds. Improved sleep. Complete darkness promotes better sleep, making them ideal for bedrooms. Privacy. Enjoy complete privacy from prying eyes. Light control. Blackout blinds are perfect for home theaters, as they prevent glare on screens. Energy efficiency. They provide insulation and can help reduce heating and cooling costs. Segment 5. Cleaning and maintenance. Regular dusting. Use a soft brush or a duster to remove dust and debris. Spot cleaning. For stains or spots, a damp cloth or sponge should do the trick. Professional cleaning. If needed, professional cleaning services can help maintain the blind's integrity. In conclusion, blackout blinds are a fantastic addition to your home, offering unparalleled light control, privacy, and energy efficiency. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of blackout blinds.